What's going on? In today's episode, we out here in Flower Mound, Texas, servicing an Infiniti Q56 I, which is pretty much the luxury version of the Nissan Armada. We're gonna be checking out the brakes, the front rotors. Those are definitely getting replaced. Right now I'm taking it on a drive just to make sure it doesn't need anything else. She said she was hearing like a knocking sound somewhere, so I'm gonna check the control arms and the ball joints, CV axles. I'm gonna get some terminals ordered. These will probably be too corroded to even mess with, besides cleaning. Gonna be knocking out them brakes first. Definitely always want to put that parking brake on. I'm gonna take the top off that master cylinder. And look at them rotors. Definitely time for some new one of those. And look at the deftness of them brakes. Looking at them control arm bushings. They look kind of worn out, but they don't have any open spaces in them. So valve cover gaskets are good. Push that piston back in there. Usually after every side, I like to pump the brakes also. Got one side left. That's just so much fluid isn't in the reservoir itself. All right. We're gonna have a look at this right side. First thing I notice is it has the same amount of wear on both sides of the rotors, which is good. Tells me that the brakes were actually maintained and installed properly the previous time. I see a small valve cover leak right there, but that's nothing too, it's not an active leak or anything. Probably bring it to their attention, but as far as like it needing to be replaced ASAP, probably not. All right, these are the new ceramic pads that are going on there. Listen to this. It's no play in it or anything just yet, but the fact that I can hear it means that it is going out. So that's gonna be the next thing to repair for sure, because these only get worse, and this customer probably drives 100 miles a day for work, so it's not an issue you want to deal with. Since both those hub bearings are from 2015 too, I'd probably recommend replacing both of them just to get it out the way also. All right, we're cleaning battery terminals. Let's check this air filter. These some pretty solid engines too, I will say. These 5.6 V8s. They put them on the Nissan Titans. Really the only kind of thing that's bad about it is the starter's located in the center of the engine, but that's not really an issue either if you know what you're doing. Definitely time. Look at that. All right, pump them brakes again, and you're pretty much good to go. Now we heading to the next one.